One. And then,
You're all done. What were you eating?
okay. And then,
Sure, honey. What did you ask for tonight for dinner?
get playing the juice on.
Because the shoes. Well, that was a while ago. But what did you sit down and ask for dinner for tonight?
Time out. Time out.
No. What was it, honey?
Time out.
No, you don't need a timeout right now.
The time is juice on.
Yeah, that was a couple weeks ago.
And then,
Sure, honey. Did you sit down tonight and ask for CANDY?
okay, why? Everything. Everything. Everything.
CANDY.
B.
Here's Miss Gwen. Gwen!